Hey there. Welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. If you dealing with a leaky shower or inconsistent water temperature, the culprit might just be your shower valve cartridge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace a Glacier Bay shower valve cartridge step by step, even if you've never done plumbing work before. Let's get into it. Tools and materials: flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, Allen wrench, usually 2.5mm or 3/32 inch, adjustable wrench or channel locks, needle nose pliers, replacement Glacier Bay valve cartridge, check model number. Plumber's grease towel or rag bucket, optional. Flashlight or work light, optional. Step 1. Turn off water supply. First things first, turn off the water supply. If your shower doesn't have its own shut-off valves, you'll need to turn off the main water supply to your home. Step 2. Remove handle and trim. Next, remove the handle. Depending on your model, you might need to pop off a decorative cap to access the set screw. Use your Allen wrench or screwdriver to remove the screw, then pull off the handle. Once the handle is off, take off the trim plate. Most are held in with 2 screws. Keep all screws safe, you'll need them to reassemble everything later. Step 3. Accessing the cartridge. Now you'll see the valve body and cartridge. Some models have a retaining clip or nut holding the cartridge in place. If there's a clip, use needle nose pliers to pull it straight out. If it's a nut, use an adjustable wrench to unscrew it. Step 4. Removing the old cartridge. To remove the cartridge, grip it firmly and pull it straight out. This might take a little force, just be careful not to damage the valve body. Step 5. Install the new cartridge. Take your new Glacier Bay cartridge and apply a little plumber's grease to the rubber O-rings. This helps it slide in easily and prevents leaks. Align the cartridge the same way the old one came out. Glacier Bay cartridges usually have alignment tabs or top markings to help you out. Slide it in gently and make sure it's seated fully. Step 6. Reassemble the. Now it's time to reassemble everything. Reinstall the trim plate, reattach the handle, tighten all screws, snap on decorative caps, if any. Step 7. Turn water back on and test. Turn your water supply back on and slowly open the shower valve to test for leaks and proper operation. Make sure hot and cold water are working, and that the valve turns smoothly. If everything looks good, you did it. And that's how you replace a Glacier Bay shower valve cartridge. Not too bad, right? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more home repair guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or got stuck during the process. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.